What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is late again, always is. It's after work, I'm tired. I had a late New Year's resolution that if I want to get out of this mundane 9 to 5 and follow my passion to do content creation and all that stuff, I gotta put more effort into it. I gotta put more hustle into it. I gotta put more like enthusiasm. So I'm definitely gonna try to get more videos going for you guys as soon, whenever I can. I'm gonna build this car anyways, so why not show you guys every step of the way. All right, without further ado, let's get into the video. Like the title says, and like the thumbnail says, I am installing a CTS cone filter with the secondary air injection pump filter with the CTS heat shield. So pretty cool. I've actually had this for a while, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It came with the car and I took it off. And that is because I'm not really big on turbo noises. I know it sounds weird, right? But I think the it can get obnoxious for me. Just like the exhaust, I'm trying to get a quieter exhaust. That's straight from the cat back. But I do want more content, so with that being said, I'm okay with putting this back on. And don't get me wrong, turbo noises are cool, like seriously, it is what it is. I have a blow off already installed in that car that I put on. The other thing is too, is that I've been telling you guys, if you see my other videos, I've been letting you guys know that I installed a Momo steering wheel. And it is the Volante steering wheel, Volant Lencrad. Cool steering wheel. And I've had that in recording, but I haven't posted it. So I'm gonna install the CTS turbo, and then the next clip you'll see is me installing the steering wheel. So yeah, let's get started. First things first, this is the stock airbox I got from the junkyard before I started recording. So you can take the battery out. Gonna take out, there's 2 bolts that are gonna hold this. Gonna get those out. And you're gonna drop one, because why the fuck would you not? You're gonna manhandle this out. This is the intake tubing from the outside. And this bad boy is gonna come out. There we go, stock airbox. I'm gonna need this to pass smog eventually, so we'll keep that together. I know there's people that are gonna be saying, it's not a cold air intake, you got the stock intake tubing. And you know what? Fuck it, I can understand that. Realistically though, all a cold air intake really is the cone filter allowing more airflow instead of that junky or that big ass airbox. The tubing would pretty much relatively be the same. Now, before we put these in, the cool thing about CTS is that it comes with an adapter for the secondary air injection. So that's pretty badass if you don't, that's really cool. And it's gonna come with this little one. But now we're gonna put in the box. And to do that, and since I got this on the car, he already jerry-rigged this bullshit. And what I mean by that is, it's missing some bolts to mount to the car. So you're gonna pop that in there. And you're gonna tighten it down. So you can tighten that. Now that's not gonna go anywhere. So like I said, this is a hand-me-down intake. He's missing these bolts. Now what these bolts are gonna do right here, what they're meant to do is make sure the intake doesn't back out, you know what I'm saying? And I never had any problems, but for the sake of aesthetics, okay, so we got a butt end, so we got a nut. Hard part. I mean, it can even be one of these, dude. Who cares? As long as it threads in, right? Yeah, it doesn't fucking matter. That's gonna work. Maybe one more. Cool, so they work. So, we have reached peak Volkswagen cringe. So we got our really shitty hardware set up. You know, it kind of gives an aesthetic look. Gold, let's fucking dress me up bolts, man. That's what you get, man. We're cheap, we're Volkswagen. Here's the filters, the intakes. They're kind of gross, actually. Oh, they actually are like really gross. I'll have to wash them, but not now. The secondary air injection pump. So that's how it looks, secondary air injection pump in there. I know, it's so gross. I'm actually kind of bummed it looks like that. Whatever. So then we're gonna take the biggest boy, and now it's in. And now, theoretically, we should have ChooChoo noises. Quick install, really easy. Super easy way to get the desired outcome. Like, watch, we'll turn it on. We'll give it a rev. Put the battery back. So now the battery, put this battery back together. Now, so start her up and give it a hear. Anyways, I'm glad you heard that. Let's go get some rollers. All right, hello again. I'm very tired, but today I'm going to be installing a Momo steering wheel. And I know it's not the best view, and you're only gonna get one kind of view, so I apologize for that, but I'm tired. I bought the steering wheel 2 weeks ago. I've been so exhausted from work every single day, and on the weekends, I don't want to work on cars. This is my job, but I haven't done it. But I really, really want this steering wheel on, so I'm just gonna do it. It's not hard. Again, as usual, it's not a tutorial. You're just watching a guy that likes to tinker with cars, you know? Always make sure your battery's been disconnected for a long time, very long time. And for Volkswagen, ow, just poked myself. For Volkswagen, there's a airbag release here. All right, so you're gonna and it's gonna be on there, dude. Okay, well, this one was easy, but normally, see, this one already came off. Normally they're stuck on there, and you'll hit it, take it off, take this bitch off. This is your clock spring. Do not fuck with this. Don't even fucking look at it. If you fuck up your clock spring, you're gonna be in for a bad fucking time, my guy. And there's your hub. This is what's gonna sit onto the clock spring or the steering column, and you can put your steering wheel on top of it. So next, now that you've done that, next is to add the Momo dust cover. Makes it look really rad. Yeah, so and now you add the, to be honest, I don't really know what this does. Someone in the comments knows? Be my guest and tell me. I mean, I know it's for the horn, but for the life of me, I don't know what about it. And now we just get the right Allen key or X key. Nice and tight, dude. Make sure all these are good and tight. Yeah, I hope you guys can hear it. Ready? Get the e-brake up. Yeah, it's nice. I look like a weirdo with a headlamp on, or a GoPro on, but sounds good, looks good. Oh, oops. Alrighty. Let's get some rollers or something. Or something.